a glimpse of the future. The 2025 Honda Accord unveiled. Well, hello there, petrol heads. Look what we have here. Honda's back with a brand new Accord, and boy, does it look ready to shake things up. Forget your preconceived notions about sensible sedans. This ain't your grandpa's Accord. This, my friends, is a machine designed to thrill. We're talking sleek lines, a bold new grille, and enough tech to make a Silicon Valley exec drool. And just look at that paint job, glistening under the sun like it's been polished with unicorn tears. This car screams, look at me, and frankly, I'm happy to oblige. But enough with the small talk. Let's ditch the cliches and get down to brass tacks. This is a car that demands to be driven, to be experienced. So buckle up, sit tight, and get ready for a roller coaster of a review. This is the 2025 Honda Accord. Sculpted for the road ahead exterior design and aerodynamics, right off the bat you'll notice this ain't no ordinary Accord. Honda's gone and thrown out the rule book with this one. The 2025 Accord is all about sharp angles, flowing lines, and a sense of dynamism that's rare in this segment. The front grille, for instance, is bolder and more aggressive than ever before. It's flanked by these sleek LED headlights that look like they were ripped straight off a concept car, and the way the hood slopes down to meet that grille.
It's like they've sculpted this car from a single piece of metal. And it's not just about looks. Every curve, every crease on this car is designed to cheat the wind. That means better fuel economy, a quieter ride, and handling that's more akin to a sports car than a family sedan.
Stepping inside, a sanctuary of comfort and technology. Alright, enough about the outside. Let's step inside and see what this baby's really got, and trust me, you're going to want to see this. Gone are the days of plasticky interiors and dull design. The 2025 Accord is all about luxury and sophistication. Think premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and enough space to comfortably seat a family of 5. The seats themselves are like something out of a Bentley, with plush leather and enough adjustability to make even the pickiest driver feel right at home.
But what really sets this interior apart is the attention to detail. From the contrast stitching on the dashboard to the ambient lighting that bathes the cabin in a warm glow, every element feels meticulously crafted. This is a car that's been designed with both the driver and passengers in mind.
Section 4, the digital cockpit, infotainment and connectivity at your fingertips. Now, let's talk tech, shall we? Because the 2025 Accord is absolutely jam-packed with it.
Dominating the dashboard is a massive touchscreen display. We're talking bigger than a jumbo-sized pizza here. And it's not just there for show. This is your command center for everything from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. And trust me, it's intuitive to use. Forget fiddling with buttons and knobs. This system responds to your touch with the fluidity of a high-end smartphone.
And of course, no modern car is complete without a suite of connectivity features. We're talking Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, you name it, this car's got it.
And for those of you who like to blast your tunes, the sound system in this thing is phenomenal. It's like having a concert hall on wheels.
Section 5, Safety and Innovation, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. But it's not all fun and games. Honda's taken safety very seriously with the 2025 Accord.
This car is loaded with more driver assistance systems than you can shake a stick at. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, the whole 9 yards. And then there's the automatic emergency braking. This system uses radar and cameras to detect potential collisions and can actually apply the brakes if it senses you're not reacting fast enough. It's like having a co-pilot who's always on the lookout for danger.
Now, I know what you're thinking, Jeremy, all this safety tech is going to take the fun out of driving, but trust me on this one. These systems are so well integrated, so seamless in their operation that you'll barely even notice them until you need them, that is. And then you'll be thanking your lucky stars that Honda had your back. Section 6, the open road beckons a test drive to remember. Right, enough talk, it's time to take this bad boy for a spin and see what it can really do. And let me tell you, the 2025 Accord does not disappoint.
This car handles like a dream. The steering is responsive and precise, the acceleration is brisk, and the ride is surprisingly comfortable, even on rough pavement. This is a car that's just as happy cruising down the highway as it is carving up a twisty back road.
And that engine, let's just say it's got plenty of power on tap when you need it. But what impressed me the most was the overall refinement of the driving experience. This doesn't feel like a typical family sedan, it feels like a much more expensive car.
This is a car that you could easily drive every day and never get tired of it.
So there you have it, folks, the 2025 Honda Accord. It's stylish, it's sophisticated, it's packed with tech, and it's an absolute blast to drive. Honda's really outdone themselves with this one.